Alright, hey guys, good morning, and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram, my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, we're not a buy or sell channel. Alright, just a reminder, we're not a buy or sell channel. Okay, if you guys are looking for someone who's going to tell you buy now, sell now, straight up, you're on the wrong stream. But if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you how to trade these markets the right way, and of course, if you're looking to trade the profitable Forex strategy life, then stick around, guys, because that's exactly what we're gonna do. Okay. Big day. Y'all know what it is, okay? Expect some volatility, expect some nice little moves to kick into the market, but also expect erratic moves to kick into these markets. Also, guys, before I start to share my screen, we're not financial advisors, okay? So any trades that you take upon yourself. Please use the right risk management. Don't be risking more than 0.5% or 1% on any given trade at any given time. Okay, now that we have all of that good stuff out of the way, I hope you guys can see my charts. What's up, people on YouTube? Hope you're doing well. Okay, so I have the indices right here. Nice little break above our supply, and we could get a solid push. Okay, you smaller lots, guys, I'm letting you all know these markets are going to be erratic. Your broker may also happen to screw you over. If those things happen, they happen. Okay, the only thing that you can do to protect yourself and your account is use conservative lots. Okay, that's US 30. Nasdaq still pushing down. All right, let's catch right at 400. And of course, if the sales want to kick in, we'll look at the break of this, but I wouldn't be shorting this market, even though they could completely just start selling off. Okay, gold. I like gold as of right now. I think gold could give us a pretty good move. Okay. If we break that supply on gold, we've got a good chance that we're going to go up and hit our daily. Okay, that's if we break supply. And if we happen to break our demand, we're going to come down and possibly waterfall, because there's not too much that's going on over here. If you guys are going to ask me my personal bias, I wouldn't say I'm inclined towards any, but just based off of price action, and it's not about saying whether we're going to buy or sell, but I do feel like the buys have a better chance of playing out. Okay, now I could be completely wrong, because you guys know it. As I keep saying, we do not have a magic ball. We only trade these markets based off of the levels that we spot. Okay, so if they start to sell off, they're going to break down from the demand zone, and if they start to buy, they're going to break up from the supply zone. Am I going to try and get in on a trade if we sell off? Absolutely not. Okay, you guys know how I trade, and you all know that I'm not going to FOMO into the sales in case they want to kick in. Okay, what do you guys want to have up? Do you all want to be looking at gold, or do you all want to be looking at the indices today? Gold. Quite a few golds. Okay, gold it is. The indices could have a pop as well. Okay, just letting you guys know. It's almost like Nasdaq is my Nasdaq's chart stuck? Babe, can you please check Nasdaq? Oh, there you go. That's a bummer. Sorry, guys. I was checking something out. Okay, all good. Nice 5-minute level here. Break down, break up. Okay. So the potential buys could be there on Nasdaq, and the potential sells could be here. Okay, let's take a look at the Forex Scalper Pro. Look at that, literally nothing is overbought or oversold now, but I guarantee you when news pops, we're going to see a lot of greens and a lot of reds on the Forex Scalper Pro, okay? Okay, and just like we were doing it yesterday, let's have the DXY side by side with gold. I'm just going to mark up some key areas. Okay. Cool. So let's see if we wanna maybe get a little bounce from here and then maybe potentially break down on the DXY, and if that wants to correlate with our potential buys that could come in. But either or, okay guys, listen, we don't gamble these markets, you all know it, alright? We're gonna try and build our bias, and we're gonna wait for the first candle to pass, and then we're gonna try and get in on any sort of trades, okay? If you guys are confident with your analysis and you'll have your risk management in place, go ahead and put on the orders that you'll want to. Sorry about that. I am going to I'm gonna place a little buy order for gold. Nothing else. I just like gold, and in case they don't want to give me the buys, it's all good. It's gonna be slightly higher than my supply, okay? Because you all know the liquidity grabs are real on gold, and y'all don't want to get caught in something like that in case it wants to go against you. Okay, these markets are not in our control, guys, and you'll need to remember that as technical traders. You'll need to be versatile enough to get in and get out of trades, okay? And please watch out for your spreads. Y'all could very, very possibly have super shitty spreads that kick in. Please be careful. Okay, and listen, like I said, we're not a buy or sell channel, okay? So if this market wants to sell off, it's going to sell off. Wait for the first candle to close in the box. I cannot be more I can't put more pressure on this, okay? Oof. US 30 and Nasdaq starting to look decent. I do think that we could get a little bit of a drop. Let's see, you guys. Let's see what they want to do, okay? So give me a quick second. Okay, I'm set. I'm good to go with gold. Let's see what these markets want to do, and let's see if they want to give us any sort of moves, okay, guys? And listen, if y'all don't feel comfortable, bro, this is scary. I know, it is, all right? The more you trade it, the more used to you're going to get. But don't be stressing about it, man. Take it easy. Be on the lookout for your brokers trying to mess up at this point, okay, guys? They're going to try their best to trap you guys in every way possible. Smaller lots. Okay, 30 seconds to go. How are we feeling, guys? Yes, that is normal Emily, because right before a major red folder like NFP, you can expect some chop. Okay? All of that is just chop. It's price not respecting TA. This is NFP. Let's have a good one, you guys. Let's get it. Okay. Oh, see what I mean? Liquidity grab. Okay, I'm not. There you go. I'm still not triggered in on anything. Let's see if just letting you guys know, my buy limit, my buy stop is in this region. Okay, so solid liquidity grab. What did the indices do? Nice little clean push on US 30. Okay. All right, I got triggered in with my $5 a pip. I'm triggered in with $5 a pip. If we break this high, I'm going to try and be trigger finger on this. Okay, where's my stop loss going to be for this? It's going to be, oof, okay, give me a quick second, you guys. I'm in. I'm in on Goldilocks and I am running big time. I'm not going to be giving my profits, but I am running big fucking time and I'm putting my position out. Okay, I'm going to leave a small position on gold and I'm going to change that to break even real quick. Okay, and let's switch over to break even. Okay, I just got stopped out on break even on that, but I made some money. All right, I'm not expecting you guys to have got that with me, but YouTube, you guys, if you're seeing me, y'all can also see my screen. Y'all can also see. That's how beautiful it was. Okay, lovely, lovely. Wait for the first candle to close, okay? Now listen, I pulled out what I pulled out. Let me tell you guys how many pips I got on this, okay? I caught 33 pips on my smaller position, and I caught about 18 pips on a position that was slightly larger. Alright, look at the DXY, tanked, and gold pushed. Wait for the first candle to close, you guys. The ones that didn't get in on your trade, it's all good. It's all good. Y'all don't need to impulsively get in the way we do, okay? I'm now done for the day, so I can put my phone aside and I can trade with you guys. I can give you guys the right setups to get into. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the Scalper Pro. We are currently... Alright, we're still in that range, you guys. We're still in that range. Stubborn markets today. GU, EU going overbought. We may have some nice moves that could potentially have kicked in there. And... they're still sort of watching. Did anyone get in on any sort of trades, guys? Anyone get in on gold with me or the dirty? Is anyone in on anything? W on gold. Nope. W on gold. All right. Okay, so we had quite a few people that got in on gold with me. Good for you guys. Congratulations. Okay, and for the rest of y'all, wait. Patience is everything in these markets. Now, what's the next thing that could happen? Okay, now say in the next minute and 55, we happen to close up in this box. Okay, that's if we happen to close up in this box. You guys are looking to get in on a possible retest. Okay, so if price comes down to our supply, which would now be demand, and you start to see nice little rejection from here, you could get in on your quick position for maybe 5, 10, 15, 20, whatever pips based off of your risk management, and you could try and catch that big fill. Okay, but that's if price closes in our box. If they're going to be stubborn, and if they're going to be indecisive, they're going to close below our box and go back into ranging within the zone. Okay, so if that's the case, then we may not have the move on gold anymore. Let's see. Let's flip this up to demand. This is exactly what I meant. Okay, so now it's pretty much an indecision candle. Okay, no body that exists. Let's see how they want to close. The last 30 seconds are what's going to be crucial. Okay. W on gold. Kyle, by the way, I need to message you, buddy. Little change in plans. I'll message you, okay? I've got you taken care of tomorrow. Cheers, my man. Okay, let's see. 24 seconds. Let's see if they want to close up there and get that retest rejection that we were talking about. The indices are not closing up in our box. Did anyone get in on either? This was a pretty nice move, but I understand if you guys wouldn't have gotten in on that break. Okay, now there it closes. Let's see if it wants to come down. I'd like for it to come down. Okay, I want this to test out our demand zone. Test it out. Okay, come on, test it out. I've told you guys, I've given you guys the trampoline example. Okay, look at that. I've given you guys the trampoline example multiple times, right? If you want to jump higher, you're gonna have to push your body weight down. Okay, so this could have been a nice potential entry. Okay, respecting demand. Okay, come on, break that high and give our army of millionaires their pips. Even if you caught that region, You should be running by about 10-11 pips at this point. Come on. 10 pips is all you guys need, remember that, okay? Alright, let's see how the DXY wants to react in and around here. They are pushing back down. Let's see, you guys. Have tight stop losses, okay? Because this can get super erratic right now. If they start to break this region, then they're looking to test out the early support. Okay, just letting you guys know. Take out your 5-10 pips if you're getting it and be happy. It's NFP, okay? Come on, give it to us, give it to us, give it to us, give it to us. There you go. I want to see W's in the goddamn chat, okay? I literally walked you guys through that. That's currently 18 pips and counting. Still going for that wick fill. Took 20 pips, W, awesome, 0. Who else is catching that? Okay, we literally walked you guys through the setup that that I didn't take because I caught the impulse, okay? But if you guys are not impulsive traders, we've got something for you guys here at Forex Trading as well, okay? We're aggressive, yes, but we're also freaking calculated in these markets, all right, guys? Look at that, look at that. Anyone still running? Beautiful retest. Nice 27 pip move. If we get that wick fill, we're looking at a solid 40 pip move. 19 pips, Ankur, congratulations. Who else is giving you this this stuff for free, guys? I mean, literally, who is doing it for you guys? This is ridiculous. Holding it on to the moon, don't do that, Zed. Take your profits and get out, brother. Take your profits, man. These markets can flip at any time, okay? Caught 60 pips on gold, done for the day. Awesome, Sahil. Congratulations, bro. Beautiful, beautiful. I want to know how many of you guys, my one-on-ones, you guys that are on here, how many of y'all caught the retest. I've been putting more emphasis on this lately, especially for our more advanced traders. How many of you guys caught the retest? I literally walked y'all through it, okay? So y'all have no reason to not have caught it anyway, but okay, caught the retest, got the retest, got the retest. My first time successful, made my pips. I caught it, but you did hold our hand. Caught it, awesome. Okay, so we have quite a few people that caught the retest. I hope you've booked your profits. I hope you've liquidated your positions. And now, get some popcorn out and watch these markets go to shit. Literally, okay? Just caught it, baby. Awesome. W on gold. Holy, that dropped. Oh yeah. Now I don't like this, okay? Nothing closes in our box. It's not good. It's not good, okay? Wait for the move to come. I do like the potential buys that could start to kick in on Nasty. And on, they're actually very identical, to be fair. Good lord, we have so many people over here that are, like, we literally, the last time I saw the participants, we were at 70. It seems like people made their money after that setup that we just told you guys and just left. Literally dropped down to 60. 72. W on gold, success story done. Awesome. Look at that. If you guys are still in on gold, you're still banking. Okay, so if you guys have had a successful NFP, thanks to Cram Cash Forex Trading, then you guys need to put on the success stories, okay? Trust me, man. No one is going to walk you guys through through a setup, especially for a red folder, news folder like NFP the way I just did. I'm not even kidding. We give out a lot to you guys for free, okay? We only ask for success stories, you guys. And if this is your first successful NFP, that says something, doesn't it? Why my MetaTrade is few seconds faster than TradingView Pro Plus? It's not that. YouTube guys, y'all are witnessing probably a 10 or 20-second lag because you're watching us on YouTube. Go into the description. Our Discord server is right there. You could join in. It's absolutely free, and you can hop on to the private Zoom call that we have going on simultaneously right now. Okay. You won't have the lag then. I made pips. Congrats, Ritik. Okay, I like those buys. First successful NFP for sure. Awesome, man. I want the success stories pouring in. Okay, you guys, there's 60 of y'all. The ones that traded, I know are gonna post up anyway. The ones that didn't trade, I'm sure you guys learned something. That in itself calls for a success story. It was my first session with you, and I've made profit of $50. Congratulations, buddy. Good for you. Okay. Look at that. They're starting to pump in some liquidity right from our demand zone. Okay. Wait for it. We could just get rejected again, okay? Just letting you all know. But I like this. This is the power of price action, you guys. This is... Wow. Fuck. Is anyone still holding gold? Anyone still holding gold? Please tell me, one of you guys, one of y'all, in the 72 people that were here, one of y'all has to have even a freaking dollar a pip, a partial that's running on this. Please, please, please tell me. Me, it's my first NFP. To be honest, I lost around 35 by gold. I'm holding, trying to recover now. You lost 35 on the buys? How, buddy? Ethan's holding. Awesome. You're still holding your feeler, Kyle. Bank that. My feeler got stopped out. Okay. Nope. Holding gold to set to BE. Got to save that capital, man. Absolutely. Look at gold. They are pushing. Beautiful, man. And do you guys see how this is a freaking classic Forex move? A nice break. A nice retest to our supply turn demand. And the break of this, the break of our previous structure, and boom, we are flying. I'm not even going to count the fact that I walked you all through getting on the retest. But even if you're not going to do that, and if you just respected the Forex strategy, you guys are making money right now, man. That's crazy. That's crazy. I'm so happy for you guys, for real. Okay, but now see, we are coming into some support, into some demand, whatever you want to call it, an order block down here. Okay, so you wanna pretty much break this order block in case you want price to still push higher. Okay, if we don't break this order block over here, you're gonna start seeing price potentially come back down. Okay, but it looks like they want to do it. Okay, the indices. Is anyone in on the US 30? It should only be an impulse. Okay, I'm out of gold. Awesome, man. Awesome. Good for you. Good for you. Oof, that was a fun NFP. That was a lot of fun. Um, I enjoyed it. I am, listen, with a kind of, I mean, we have a mixed bag of audience that's coming in on our socials, and I have made the conscious decision to not, it's no one's business how much money we make. You know what I mean? The setups need to speak for themselves, and I'm sure the real traders, you guys, the people that trade with us, y'all would appreciate seeing the setups play out rather than seeing big money on the table, right? Because it's different for everyone. You know, everyone has a different capital, everyone has a different story, everyone just has a different way of doing it. Okay, and just know that I had two positions, okay, and I caught 30 pips from one, and 20 pips from the other. The 20 pips was my larger position, and I'm up by close to 1% on my account. Okay. US close above, retest demand zone, and move up like gold. Yes, but as you can see, we didn't have a retest. Now, either we wait for a retest, we expect this to flip to demand, and we look to break that high. Okay, there's that high that's going to stop you from getting that clean move. But if you happen to break this, go for it. Okay, the next level you're going to head to is there. 81 to 510, you could still catch a good 30 pip move coming in there, okay? But as of now, as you can see, we are getting slight resistance. I would be more comfortable if I saw price come and retest that demand zone. Awesome. Do we have any questions, you guys? I see people making their pips and leaving the stream, which is all good. I have no intention of staying on the stream for too long myself. Do we have any questions? Private members on Zoom, you guys? The indices made a great move today. Go to the sky. The US is moving great. Yep. Overall, a great session. Awesome. What's your YouTube channel? Forex trading. The shots on gold. Where would I shot gold? Possibly on that break. Somewhere there. But there's just a lot of momentum right now, you guys. Appreciate your work, bro. Learning a lot from you. Awesome, man. You're welcome, buddy. Nasty looks nice. It does. It does look nice. This looks nice too. Right, this looks nice too. We could break. We are trying to push there. We are trying to push the RSI. Scalper Pro still not giving us anything. Gold is overbought on the 5. There you go. Okay, now we're overbought in gold on both the 5 and the 15. We're headed to cross the 50 and the 4H on the daily. Okay, now one or two things can happen, but I need you to realize this is the daily and the 4 hours, right? So these 3 points to the 50 may also, it'll definitely give you a little bit of a move on the shorter time frames, but you could potentially see price have a little bit of a pullback. Okay, so watch for that on gold. Okay, do we have any questions, guys, or are we good to call it a session? Listen, I want you guys to post up on success stories, all right? It's GU's what? GU's flying. Okay. Anyway, like I was saying, I want you guys to post up on success stories. Okay, if you've had your first successful NFP, if you made some money with us, if you were paper trading, if you made $1, 100,000, 10,000, 50,000, I don't care. As long as you picked up some value from the session, I think that calls for a success story. Okay, so stop lurking around, stop taking us for granted. You guys know it. A little appreciation goes a really long way. Okay, and we truly believe in giving you guys value. Help us continue to do that for you guys. Okay, post your profits on success stories. Absolutely. Do we have any openings for the one-on-ones, babe? We do have openings for the one-on-ones. Okay, so if you guys want to hop on to the private mentorship program, message Cash. Don't keep us hanging. If you guys are serious, only and only message. If you're not, it's all good. There are more people that are waiting, and there are always more people that want to hop on. Okay, so just don't after you get the information, just say if you want it or you don't. All right, and then we move on from there. Yes, I am, Kyle. Yes, I am. All right, lovely guys. Have a great weekend. The stream schedule will be up most likely by Sunday. Okay, and you guys will have access to that soon. Have a great weekend. Stay away from these markets. Rest your brains, like I keep saying. Don't try and you can't pick everything up overnight. Okay, so it's always good to take some time off, and the weekends are the best time to do that. All right, you guys, take it easy. I will talk to you all soon. This was a freaking fantastic session. Post up on success stories, and I will catch you guys next week. Okay, like I keep saying, we're building an army of millionaires. It's up to you guys if you want to join what we're doing here. If not, sit on the sidelines. It's your loss, because as long as you're going to be in the trading space, I promise you guys, you're going to circle back to Forex trading, because in the next couple of weeks, months, you're going to hear our group's name, Forex trading's name, everywhere. That's my word to you guys. Okay, Zoom, stay back. I will be with you all in a second. I'm just going to sign out on YouTube. All right, take it easy, YouTube. See you all next week. Cheers. Okay, YouTube's done. This thing still has potential to buy, man. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie, seriously. This thing's gonna, like, yes, the retracements should come back. But let's look at the higher time frame. Okay, so let's just get rid of all of the distractions on the screen. Okay, so you guys remember the trampoline example that I always give you guys, right? That's exactly what NFP was on goal today. Okay, I had a nice solid level. So one-on-ones, you guys should be seeing this. We had a nice little bearish move, right? We had a good amount of distribution in these markets, and then we were trending. So one of two things were going to happen. Either we were going to break down off our distribution zone and potentially successfully make that the bearish flag that you guys should be aware of, okay, and we would have pushed to the downside, or we identify our structure, our flag in other words, and we look for the buys. Now this was what told me that we're gonna most likely get into the buys, right? The fact that even though it was choppy, we were still moving in a nice little uptrend. You see what I mean? We still, even so in the one-on-ones, you guys know what this is. It is bullish divergence, right? And something as simple as bullish divergence led me to crack NFP, not just for myself, but for you guys too. You know what I mean? So it's the fundamentals, it's the basic things, it's the simple things that you'll want to be on the lookout for, guys. Straight up, our trading style, we're not like these other. I'm sure a lot of you guys have been through other streamers and all of that good stuff, right? We don't do anything fancy over here. Okay, we believe in the basics. All we trade is support, resistance, supply, demand, and break of structure. All right, so it's these little tools that you use to amplify your style of trading. This is how you're going to become a better trader. Because think of it, a lot of you all must be thinking that, fuck, we went through the ones that are on the 5-session course. You must be thinking that, you know, we did bullish and bearish divergence in session 3 or session 4. Why didn't we catch it? Because you're not actively looking for it. Okay, all the tools that you guys have picked up from the one-on-ones, I'm talking specifically to the one-on-ones right now, everything, session 1, session 2, session 3, the straight up, the curriculum that we have, with everything that you guys pick up, all of those are tools to your analysis and your bias of these markets. So you use your technical eye to identify your buy structure and your sell structure, and you use the tools, like in this case it would have been the bullish divergence, it would have been the potential formation of a nice little double bottom, it would have been maybe an inverse head and shoulders if it was this as well, whatever it was, but this was screaming bullish, and the confluences were adding up to the buys, which is why, y'all know me, I don't put in orders, not till I'm 100% confident in these markets, literally, right? And you can never be 100% confident. You can be overconfident, yes, but you can't always be confident and right. You know what I mean, guys? So that's why I believed in the analysis. I did have a safer entry, by the way. I had my stop at around this region, just slightly below that wick, because I didn't want, so just like price went bullish before it went bearish, I didn't want price to go bullish, bearish, and then bullish. You know what I mean? So to keep myself in that safer spot, I put it above supply, patiently waited. I actually got caught in a 13 pip freaking 13 pip spread. That's what I got caught. That's the commissions that I paid on my broker. Okay, so it's all good. I was expecting that with news, but okay, just for you guys on Zoom. Just for you guys on Zoom. All right, I'm not gonna put this up on YouTube, and there are no cameras right now. I caught 400 bucks a pip for 18 pips. That was my bigger position, and I caught 100 bucks a pip for 31 pips. That was my smaller position. Okay, great day, beautiful end to the week, and with TA, you guys can achieve these things. Trust in yourselves, trust in us here at Forex Trading, trust the process, and ask anyone on the one-on-ones. All right, this doesn't come easy. This really doesn't come easy. It's brilliant to see. Special shout out, okay? Like, I know a couple of people, GGFX, she's one of them. Okay, when we started, literally about 3 or 4 months, and GGFX has been on the streams with us for forever, literally, since pretty much since we started. Okay, but she has grown exponentially. I remember session 1, and then I just had session, I think 7 with her yesterday, and now the way she talks, the way she analyzes these markets, it's unrealistic to even look at how someone can go from an absolute beginner to a professional trader in a couple of months. Okay, but it takes dedication. It takes a lot of time, patience, blood, sweat, emotions, everything. Tears, even tears, I'm not even kidding. It takes a lot of that stuff, but as long as you're committed and as long as you guys crack what we do over here with us, and we're here to help you guys do that, you will achieve and experience financial freedom. As long as you guys have your phones, you don't even need your laptop. You don't need your trading view. As long as you have your MetaTrader and you understand risk management and technical analysis, and they start going hand in hand, you guys are gonna experience financial freedom for the rest of your lives. Okay, so let's come back next week headstrong. Let's come back knowing that we have another good week ahead of us, and let's just take some time off, relax, unwind, and be back for a solid week full of pips next week. Okay, thank you guys so much. I always appreciate each and every one of you guys, especially you guys, the ones that stay after I shut the stream down. I know you guys are the real OGs. I'm not even kidding. I know that for a fact. Okay, so I always make sure, and I'll continue to always remove some time at the end of the stream for y'all. It could be about the setups. It could just be about if you guys are getting confused in these markets, we're here to guide y'all. That's the reason. We're not here to freaking show anything off or even share our personal accounts with you guys. We're not here to do that. We're not like these other groups. Yes, we're running a business. We're trying to build a community, but we're here to give you guys value. That's always been our idea behind forex trading. Mill zones, mine, caches, Yanos. We've always wanted to come here and build our army of millionaires. Teach you guys how to bank those pips. Okay, you guys? Thank you all so much. Have a great weekend. I truly appreciate each and every one of y'all, and so does Cash. You guys are lovely. I freaking love y'all. I will catch y'all next week. Have a good one, guys. I'm Cram. My partner is Cash, and this is Forex Trading. Signing out, you guys. Have a good weekend. Bye. बाहर कभी हो गया
एकदम क्या चमका है किचन में मैडम इतना गंदगी निकला आपके वॉशिंग मशीन के पीछे से अरे सुसु की आवाज में इसका कान हिल रहा है चीज पर क्या हुआ भाई यू अपसेट
No, I'm not, baby. I was just having some real talk with them, and so many people appreciate also, baby. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
we have a lot of people in
Look at this. I was just talking to them about how we're just there for you guys, and
come in
we appreciate you.